only Gonzalez today because Raven is on the sidelines. Gets his first three. JP drives. Stolen from the back. Jay gets the steal there. Matakbo pa rin itong Abra.
Weak side, somebody's open.
Jay. Pinoy step for Jay Yutok.
Mga 10 segundo, no? Nakataas yung kanyang teammate sa weak side corner na si Hardy Baldo. Pero may rason kung ba't di niya pinasahan. Dahil 2 points mas sigurado sa loob. Jordan Rios for 3. That is 3-pointer number 10 para sa Imos. Probably the only stat in this game kung saan lamang itong Imos. 10 3-pointers made compared to only 6 para sa Abra.
Two-man game off the handoff. Jordan Gonzalez able to find his teammate. Without Trinidad, able to finish. Kabilang panig tayo. JP has been struggling from the outside. JP Belenchon is 0 out of 6 in the ball game. Pero balik muna tayo dito. So the game is brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
Two-man game. You see nobody rotating. Such an easy pass, easy basket. And another uncontested shot for Abra.
3-pointer number 11. Para dito sa Imos, Balong Marquez getting that 3 this time around. Jay.
Ganda gumalaw to si Yuto.
And aggressive. Itong si Jay Yuto. Right.
Meron siyang no? Meron siyang rhythm maglaro. Alam mong go hard. Pero has a nice change of pace to his game.
The quality of play, coach, for someone who's only averaging 5 minutes. Manny Pay, the digital wallet built for the community, is averaging 7 points and 3 rebounds a ball game. In only 5 minutes and 50 of play.
Ikaw ba naman we just showed assistant coach Denok Miranda, another basketball legend. Kanya mga assistant coach mo, dapat swabe ka rin gumalaw tulad ni Denok. Nandiyan pa yung former NCAA MVP from the JRU Heavy Bombers na si Nani Ipundulan. Bata ka pa nun, huwag ka mag-alala.
Tatanungin ko na sana, coach, nung year pa yan?
Maybe the year 2000 or 2001. Naalala ko, nag-final sila nun, kalaban ng San Sebastian. I remember this so well because he was teammates with my former high school teammate na si Ryan Chu. He's now in the US. Nani Ipundulan, he was a bucket getter during the collegiate days.
365, one thing going. That's gonna be the 3rd straight triple para dito sa Imos.
Bago may magtampo, another teammate nung high school na kasama niya rin mo si Robbie Kua, ang amin team captain in St. Stephen. So dalawa sila, no? Teammate niya yan, si Nani Pundulan sa JRU.
Long. They keep on going to that far pass. It has not been successful.
Maybe once. 1 out of 6. Remember the high-low play? Kay Soriano that happened right in front of us?
Right.
That's probably the only time.
Alley-oop for Jetro. He is fouled. It's a surprise play.
Finally, nag-relax na si Coach Yong. Kasi for the first 35 minutes of this game, nakatayo yan. Ngayon umupo na.
Ngayon medyo napakali na si Coach Yong. Actually, ang tanong dyan, Coach, kung tatayo ulit, makita na Coach Yong. The first few moments of him sitting down in the ball game.
Can I just say, looking good si Coach Yong. Mukhang magandang pangangatawan niya ngayon.
Extreme, this free throw is brought to you by Extreme, ang subok at kompletong appliances brand. Yutok continues to get on a scoring right here. David Defonso and Raven Gonzalez not in uniform. DJ Fenner and Tucker Molina as well not playing today's ball game. But obviously, it's not a problem for your Abra Solid North Weavers. Josh Asuncion also getting a point there. No, Coach, the only Weaver who have not scored is Encho Serrano.
Now, that I find hard to believe.
That's
but,
right.
but he's only played how many minutes?
Maybe even have a chance to play our Sports Plus halftime contest. Kanina may nanalo na naman ng 200,000 dito.
Tama po yung narinig nyo tulad ng sinabi ni Coach Juanito. Because you would think that first game pa lang today, first of 3 games, may nakashoot na, tapos na, hindi po. Second game and third, kahit may makashoot ulit ng second
Yes.
game, bumaba lang siya, no?
They would just refresh.
50,000, no? And then another 50,000 kung may makashoot ulit.
Of course,
Sa second game.
every game day nila na dinadagdagan ng 50,000. So, we've already had 3 winners. We had a million, a 350,000 winner, and then a 200,000 winner. The last 2 minutes is brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Baldo is fouled from behind.
It's just one of those things where minsan sinasabihan ka ng maybe your parents or maybe your good friend, no, when you're having a bad day. Alam mo, Juanito, masamang magalit pero hindi. Ang MPBL tsaka Sports Plus, lalo na Sports Plus, galit sa pera.
See the winner right here, RB Medillo. Congratulations again, sir. Yun ang maganda, nanalo ka na, nag-enjoy ka pa sa laro. Diba? 3 good MPBL games here, RB Medillo. Still staying after winning 100,000.
Palagay ko, mas appropriate pagbaliktad yun eh. Nag-enjoy ka na sa laro,
Nanalo ka pa.
Diba?
Usually, you pay for tickets, but here in the MPBL, you watch.
It's
And
free.
you are paid.
Free po mga tickets, binabawas mo sa payroll ni Coach Juanito.
Kaya, willing po akong bayaran kayo lahat. Tara na po, may second at third game. Later on, the Caloocan Batang Kankalu will be going up against Iloilo in our main game.
Yung mga banat mo talagang no? Galawang politiko yan, Juanito. Tatakbo ko muna
Dito lang tayo tatakbo ko sa Caloocan Sports Complex sa ano lang tayo, extra calories burned lang ang pagtakbo natin. 1 minute and 14.
Yan na lang yung calories na ibaburn ng mga manlalaro natin. The 10 players on the court para sa dalawang kuponan.
Hello coach, let's talk about a few guys. It's the 4 players na nahirapan tayo pumili, but it's Ildefonso, De Los Reyes, Cassius Small Martin, and Jake Figueroa. Coach, the impact of the 4 here in the ball game.
Kahit sino piliin mo dyan, hindi ka magkakamali. Jake Figueroa, even if this was quote-unquote a big game against a contending team or a middle-of-the-pack team, playoff team, I think Jake Figueroa would still have the same performance.
And impact as well.
Yeah.
Number 17, Jay Yutu, penalty, first
Penalty,
foul.
2 free throws.
2 free throws, looked on.
42-point lead. Makes the first. Cuts it to 41.
Nagkamali ka na.
Uy,
Nagkamali ka na. Susumbong na kita sa professor mo.
mali lang. Tama ba?
Tama ba?
Tama.
Tama. Sinusubukan lang kita. Sinusubukan lang kita.
Medyo napang-question ako ng aking arithmetic. 41.8 in favor of your Abra Solid North Weavers. They're looking to just hold on to the basketball right here. Utok still looking to post up. 6 seconds. Jay Utok is blocked. Fuentes, 10 seconds on the game clock. Balong. So challenged by Jay. Fuentes gets the 3. That's Joseph Fuentes.
And you could just see the difference
John Fuentes.
from a culture standpoint. Even the last shot, even though it was made by Imos, it ended up in a contested shot by Jake Figueroa.
Jake Figueroa in the ball game is able to contribute right away, and right now